Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to change aspect ratio when using CapCut PC. So we have added a file and we have added it to the timeline, and when you select the clip, you will see an option called aspect ratio. Click here. You'll see right now it is selected as 16:9 because that is our media file. If you want to change it to other aspect ratio, you can do that by clicking here. So let's say we want to make a reel, so we're just going to select 9:16. We have selected it and it is looking like this now. So this is the display, and you can just scale it this way. You can also scale it like this way, but you can do it the way you want, and you can drag this way to make sure that the subject is on the display. Okay, let's revert back. Okay, so let's say you have a 19:16 file. You can just select 16:9 to go to this. You can also do other custom aspect ratio by selecting custom, and then selecting here. You can just put the resolution that you want and also frame rates. So you can also select it from here again. So this is how you basically change the aspect ratio if you're using CapCut. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.